Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Henrietta Onyemere. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming. In today's video, my niece, Rosemary Nwachukwu, is going to show us how she made this delicious looking vegetable soup. She's showing us her own version or her own style of cooking this soup. So sit back and enjoy watching. Thank you.
I'm heating now our water leaf into the oil. Yeah. Putting stock here. Very nice there. Coming next is going to be about fish. We have not put it before, so we just put it in, put it in, put it in, and pour in. Then it's time to stir it all. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. After this, we'll now taste for salt. So I'm going to put a little salt. Okay. Then at this point, we add it little water. Yep. So we'll let it boil for some seconds before we put in our ugu leaves. Yeah.
Ooh, looking so sumptuous. No, you start to cook. The soup is looking so delicious.
Yeah, my mama taught me well.
I see that.
Are you perceiving it? Are you perceiving it? Or you run to the market now and go and cook your own. Are you perceiving it?
Hey, Chiwedu.
Yeah, everybody, you bring your plate. Oh, food is ready. And let's test it. Moment of truth. Woo. Oh my goodness, this is so sumptuous. Yeah.
So we have come to the end of today's cooking. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. And if you're new here, if today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for coming. Please hit on that red button there that says subscribe and join the family. We will be so glad to have you in our family. Thank you. And when you do that, click on the button that comes up so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. To you all my able subscribers, thank you. God bless you. And to all those who subscribe to newly, God bless you too. I thank you all. May God continue to bless and protect you all. See you all in our next video. Bye.